Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Get Geomatics Engineering. Here you will learn about geomatics engineering and prepare you for it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel to support us. So let's start our today's content about datum. Okay, we described about datum shortly in our previous lecture in coordinate system and projection. But here we describe briefly about datum. What is it and types of it and in which purpose we used datum. Okay. So what is datum? It's a very basic thing from where the measurement done. But for which reason we introduce datum in GIS? Actually, in surveying and geodesy portion, a datum is a reference point on the Earth's surface against which position measurements are made, and it also a associated model of the Earth shape for computing position. It's known as geodetic datum. Actually, datum is used for calculating the geographic coordinate system. There it used for latitude longitude measurement, altitude measurement. This type of measurement we done using datum. So types of datum. There is two type of datum, vertical datum and horizontal datum. In horizontal datum, this is horizontal datum. In horizontal datum, we calculate using this latitude and longitude value of a position, and using geoid or vertical datum, we calculate altitude value of a position. The another name of horizontal datum is spheroid, and the another name of vertical datum is geoid. There is also a known thing I think everybody know about MSL, mean sea level, from where the measurement done. Let's describe these things: MSL, spheroid, and geoid one by one. First, we come to the MSL portion, mean sea level. It's a average height. From the name, mean sea level, we know it's a average point, or it's the average height of the sea at a tide station measured from a fixed predetermined reference level. If you see this image, there was various type of height, but the mean sea level is present here. MSL is present here. Actually, we calculate the all type of height and then average it. From there, we get the MSL point of the tide station. And using this MSL, we start altitude or height. Okay. Next, we come to the geoid portion. If you see this image, this is geoid. Actually, Earth is not totally spheroid shape. There is lot of up and down like this of the Earth surface picture. And if we take the Earth surface picture approximately accurate, then we get this type of surface of Earth. Actually, geoid is the hypothetical surface of the Earth. It coincides with sea level everywhere according to Bowditch. Okay, it's almost same like MSL, and it's nearly ellipsoidal, but it's a complex thing. If you see this diagram, then you can understand it's a complex thing, but similar like ellipsoid. Using this geoid, we calculate the height of a point or of a area. Okay. Next, we come to the spheroid. It says it's totally based on ellipse. There is major axis and minor axis. This long axis from here to here, it's known as major axis, and a part of this portion is known as semi-major axis, and this to this is known as minor axis, but the part of this known as semi-minor axis. Okay, actually it's chosen to fit one country or a particular area. It's not total for the world and total for the whole 2-3 area. Actually it's a it's for a small area. Okay, so next we come to WGS. It's a, I think everybody know about the WGS. So in 1983 there was is geodetic reference system developed. Actually, it's known as GRS-80. Why it's GRS-80? Because the measurement was done in 1980. For that, it known as GRS-80, and US military developed it in 1984 and refined that value of that major axis, minor axis, and the others spheroidal shape of the Earth's surface, and then it's known as WGS-84. Okay, World Geodetic System. WGS, World Geodetic System. Okay, the same major axis value of this WGS-84 is this, and same minor axis value is this. Okay, now come to this portion. Here we introduce another term which is topocentric datum. It's a average datum using geoid datum and spheroid datum. We introduce it for calculation purpose. It's provide a good calculation value for both case using geodetic and spheroid. That's why we use the topocentric datum. Okay, these are the few types of spheroid datum is given here. You can list its name, but it's not much more necessary. Just example of this spheroid and datum. Okay, thank you everyone. That's enough for the datum. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask about your doubt in your mail and also our Telegram channel. Thank you. Thank you everyone.